ready to transform ordinary letters into extraordinary brand symbols. Let's dive into creating captivating alphabet logos using Adobe Illustrator. First, launch Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. A standard size for logo design is often 500 by 500 pixels, but feel free to adjust based on your needs. Ensure the color mode is set to CMYK for print or RGB for digital use. Now, grab the type tool. It looks like a T in the toolbar. Click on your artboard and type the letter or letters you want to use for your logo. Think about what letter best represents your brand or client. Explore different fonts to find one that resonates with your brand's personality. Consider whether you want a serif, sans serif, script, or display font. The properties panel on the right-hand side is your best friend here. Once you've chosen your font, right-click on your letter and select Create Outlines. This converts your letter into editable shapes, giving you complete control. Now for the fun part, select the Direct Selection tool, the white arrow. You can now manipulate the individual anchor points and paths of your letter. Try rounding corners, extending lines, or creating unique cutouts. Don't be afraid to add custom shapes using the pen tool. It might take some practice, but mastering the pen tool opens up endless possibilities for adding unique and brand-specific elements to your letter. The Pathfinder panel is your secret weapon. Use options like Unite, Subtract, Front, Intersect, and Exclude to combine shapes and create complex designs within your letter. Experiment to see what unique forms you can discover. Bring your logo to life with color. Experiment with gradients, solid fills, and color combinations that match your brand's identity. Consider using Adobe Color to find harmonious color palettes. Add depth and dimension with subtle shadow effects. Use the Effect menu to explore options like drop shadow or inner glow. Be careful not to overdo it. A little goes a long way. And there you have it. You've transformed a simple letter into a unique and memorable logo. Remember to save your work in various formats like AI, EPS, and SVG to ensure compatibility across different platforms. Now go forth and design awesome alphabet logos.